So this is the HCD-14 Genesis concept we have here at the 2013 Detroit Motor Show. This is the front of the vehicle, introducing itself very proudly and boldly with a confident, upright grille. It's very, very upright without being uptight. We have a very jewel-like appearance to the headlights, beveled, turn under to give an alert and ready expression. And the corner air intakes have functioning aerofin inlets that help cool the brakes and encapsulate the fog lamps. We're looking at a proportion here that's classic rear-wheel drive in very desirable proportions. A very long hood, a very long wheelbase, a very low-slung kind of car. And we're very, very proud of the proportions that we've able to achieve with this. And we also inserted or peppered a bit of this idea of a cat with its ears pinned back, right? So have this long, sleek look to the car. And the long lines going from front to the rear sort of encapsulate this spirit of undisturbed sheet metal, beautifully stretched panels of undisturbed sheet metal. If you look to the lower part of the vehicle, you can see the stainless steel trim. And we're sort of looking at that as analogous to the casing on a fine timepiece. You know, if you can imagine a watchmaker putting together the watch and all the precision mechanics that go inside of it, and it's sort of the final assembly stages of that watch, and it sort of snaps together and clicks, right? The proportions are very, very sleek towards the rear, very coupe-like, and it ends in this very, very sharp crease deck lid edge that says goodbye to the wind in effortless fashion. A lot of the themes in the rear of the vehicle are repeated from the front with the beveled crystal-like taillight and the exhaust surround to the vehicle. If we move around to the interior of the vehicle, you can see a very dramatically sculpted interior without all the fussiness and the buttons and controls that are normally associated with premium vehicles of this language. We've milled multiple layers of laminated wood, and this gives a sort of topographical mapping effect, and it's very interesting to explore with your hands and your eyes. So we have a very interesting and innovative HMI system, human-machine interface, which sounds very techy, but in essence, for the greater goal of this system, we're looking at trying to incorporate a very, very safe system as well. So we've achieved or incorporated eye tracking in combination with gesture control, and the combination of these two things working simultaneous or in concert with one another gives a very natural and intuitive feel to the interaction of the vehicle.